Welcome to another CalRTA short tutorial. My name is Sue Breyer, and in this video, I'll introduce you to and help you navigate your CalRTA division's website. You'll learn how to locate and access your division's newsletters, view photos of your division's activities and luncheons, and check on upcoming state and local events. So let's get started. So here we are on the CalRTA Division 33's website. You'll notice that all CalRTA division websites have the same layout and components, but when you look closely, the content can actually be very different from one division to another. So let's first take a look at what they all have in common. At the top of each web page, you'll notice the CalRTA logo on the left and the area number on the right. Now, each of these images is actually an active link. So if you click on this CalRTA logo, you'll be taken to the state CalRTA homepage. Now, if you go over here and you click on the gold bordered area box, you'll arrive at the area web page. Now, in the center, of course, is the division's full name and division number. Now, below the area logo, you'll see three icons: Facebook, YouTube, and Flickr. Now, if you click on the Facebook icon right here, you'll be taken to the CalRTA state Facebook page. Now, when you click on the YouTube icon, you'll open the CalRTA YouTube page and have access to all of CalRTA's recorded webinars, trainings, and tutorials. Clicking on the Flickr icon opens up CalRTA's photo collection, including snapshots from past conventions, advocacy days, lobby days, and other CalRTA activities. Now, along the upper portion of the web page, you'll notice a blue menu bar with 7 or 8 labels, all of which are active links. I'll talk about each of them in just a moment. And below the menu bar, you'll see a photo carousel on the left here with a series of rotating pictures. Now, some of these pictures are stock photos supplied by CalRTA, but many divisions, such as this one, customize their photo carousel with images of division members and some of their many events. And to the right of the photo carousel is a brief description of the division, including areas served, the number of members, meeting information, and information maybe about division's history. If you click on the word more right here, it opens up in a new page with the CalRTA mission statement and a brief history of the CalRTA organization. And here in the middle of the page, you're going to notice 6 categories: coming events, leaders, join us, newsletters, division web managers, and legislative advocacy. And the bottom of the page shows 4 different icons, beneath each of which is an active link that takes you to that particular website. Now let's take a look at the tabs here on the blue menu bar. About Us. This tab provides information about CalRTA, its mission statement, and its history, as you can see here. The Resources section serves 2 purposes: support and training for division web managers, and a place to access information, for instance, on YouTube tutorials, state leadership, advocacy, or member benefits, depending on what your division has posted. This Scholarships and Grants tab right here will take you to active links leading to scholarship and teacher grant information and announcements, and a short paragraph down here at the bottom. This Photos link up here, when clicked on, allows you to revisit many of your division's memorable activities and events captured in colorful images. Just click on a link and relive the moments of past events. Back on the home page, the Updates tab includes the CalRTA calendar down here at the bottom, and may provide links to other timely information and news relevant to CalRTA and its mission. This Join Us link provides CalRTA members and prospective members an easy online opportunity to apply for membership or even renew their current membership. And the Contact Us link allows those who are viewing the division website to request more information about the division. Now, all emails that are generated with this Contact Us form are directed to division leadership. And some divisions actually include a Facebook link that takes viewers directly to the division's Facebook page, as you can see here. Now, these mid-page categories, as you can see along here, include an abundance of information about state and local CalRTA activities and leadership. In this coming events column over here on the left, you'll see a list of local division events above this View More button right here, which you can click on to access additional local division events. And at the bottom, you'll see CalRTA state events listed. The leaders column right here, the second one over, lists current division elected leaders, usually president, vice president, treasurer, and secretary. Now, to view a complete list of division board members, simply click on this View More button. This Join Us column right here is actually a duplicate of the Join Us link that is along that top blue menu bar. If you click on the View More button, you can easily fill out a membership form or renew your membership online. On the far right, this Newsletters heading right here shows a menu with a drop-down arrow entitled Read a Newsletter. Click the down arrow as I have, and you will see up to 2 years of uploaded division newsletters. These are all active links, and if you click on the link, it'll take you directly to the newsletter. Just below the newsletter heading is the DWM communication form. Now, this link is designed to help division web managers, or DWMs, with questions that they might have in updating or maintaining the division's website. All they would need to do is to click on this active link and fill in the form and submit their question. And finally, at the bottom of that far right column, you'll find the heading Legislative Advocacy. Now, clicking on any of the links right here or clicking on this View More button will allow you to access information about CalRTA's legislative platform and its many ongoing advocacy activities. And that's all there is to navigating your division's website. Thanks again for joining me for another CalRTA short tutorial. I hope to see you again soon.